Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to make the rapid weight loss cream of broccoli celery soup that I make. That just, it fills you up, it's delicious, and you're getting all your vegetables in. In the winter time, I like to eat soup to get my greens in. In the summertime, I make myself green smoothies, and I put spinach in my smoothies and things like that. So easy, guys. Cut up 2 stalks of celery, okay? A bag of peppers and onions, 3 bags of broccoli, you got your celery, and then you put it in a chicken broth in here, and then you just cook it all. When it's done cooking, you take an immersion blender and you blend it like this. And I'm gonna be honest with you, when you're eating as many vegetables as I eat, you can get away with adding cream to this and making it taste way better, and still have it be low calorie and still lose weight doing it. You know, when you're using a pot this big, a pint of cream is not going to kill you. You don't have to do this, but I care about taste, and as long as I'm still losing weight, it's good for me. See how delicious it looks and see how runny it is? You can actually drink this soup, guys. So what you can do, for example, is if you're thirsty and you're craving coffee or you're craving tea, instead of coffee and tea, just put this in a cup and just warm it up and drink it. And you're eating so healthy, you're eating vegetables. I mean, you can't ask for more than that. And it's not only that, guys, it's delicious. I'm big on taste. I've been doing this 9 years, so everything I do has to taste good to me so I can stick to it. And what I'm so thankful for is my kids love it too. So we make this a staple in our family. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, we're in the Davison Farmers Market every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday from 9 to 5. And if you don't live nearby, you can always visit us at healthytreatsmarket.com. And I also created a YouTube channel called Healthy Treats Market, where if you're struggling finding videos, all my videos are right there. They're very easy to find. So you can go on YouTube and type Healthy Treats Market and subscribe to my channel, and then you'll see the videos. But if you want to order, you got to click on healthytreatsmarket.com. God bless you.